Today's exam revision.
Who is Ratty? Fast.
Ratty is little proud rat.
What does Ratty like to eat?
Cheese.
पूर्ण ह्याच्यात सांग. What is the
Ratty likes to eat cheese.
what is the name of black cat in the poem?
Her name is Blackie.
Who is clever?
Ratty is clever.
Who runs out of the room?
Ratty runs out of the room.
Okay. Write the rhyming words. Rat.
Rat. Rhyming words मतलब?
Same words सांगायचे. Rat, mat, cat. बरं थांबा. Who is poet of the poem at the zoo? Fast.
विल्यम ठाकरे.
विल्यम ठाकरे. पूर्ण वाक्यात कधी बरं आता शॉर्ट मध्ये सांग लिहिताना एक्झाम मध्ये हे करा फुल मध्ये. वेअर डिड द पोएट गो?
At the zoo.
पण सांग ना काय व्हायले. ॲट द पोएट वेंट टू.
At the zoo.
फुल वाक्यात सांगा येतंय खरं. व्हॉट इज देअर इन द उल्फ माउथ?
Mutton.
विच ॲनिमल डिड द पोएट सी फर्स्ट?
White bear.
फुल सेंटेन्स मध्ये सांग ना येतंय ना.
The poet see first is white bear.
विच ॲनिमल वॉज अ वॉविंग ट्रंक?
The elephant is bobbing trunk is elephant.
ओके. When does Samir is going for picnic with his family?
Samir going for a picnic with his family on Sunday.
To whom does grandfather tell to get the paper plates?
Sarah. Sarah get paper plates.
Grandfather tells Sarah to get the paper plates. Okay. Who helped mother to pack buns red box?
Samir packs the buns in the red box.
In which box does Sarah pack the small cakes?
Blue box.
Blue box. What does Samir father ask to bring?
Cricket bat and cricket ball.
Okay. Who is the poet of the poem Now We Are Six?
A million.
Million ची स्पेलिंग सांग. MILLANE. विल्यम आणि मिलियन वेगळे वेगळे लक्षात ठेव. When did the speaker just begin?
Just begin.
The speaker has just
begin. 1 year old. Just begin na?
At the age of.
At the age of 1.
At the age of speaker feels she is clever.
6 years old.
When did the poet become nearly new?
2 years old.
At the age of रे.
At the age of 2.
तसं लिहायचं. Which class do Rahul and Lily study in?
Class first.
What do they learn at school?
Singing, dancing, writing, reading, and
Right.
writing.
What does Rahul and Lily like to play? Rahul play
Football.
and Lily's like
Throw ball.
Lily's like
Fruits and vegetables.
very good. What does Rahul likes to play? झाला. When do Rahul and Lily have?
मतलब
Dinner at कितीला करतात?
at 8 o'clock.
Name 2 things you enjoyed doing at school. मतलब तुम्हारे स्कूल में तुम्हारे थिंग्स क्या है? स्कूल में तुम्हारे 2 थिंग्स के नाम बताओ. क्या क्या एंजॉय करते हो तुम?
Playing and writing.
Study with friends at school. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. What are your father's parents called?
Grandparents.
What are your mother sisters called?
Aunt.
Aunt. What is a small family?
Small family. Parents and children living together is called small family.
What is big family?
Parents, grandparents, and children living together is called big family.
Who are our sibling?
Brothers and sisters.
What is family?
Family is a group of people living together. Living together is called family.
Write any 2 ways to help your family.
Watering plants and mother's help in the kitchen and
चालते. What 2 way in the which parents help you?
study, writing, swimming,
Give homework.
give homework,
Name any two.
helping homework,
Name any 2 days that you
helping
celebrate.
homework completed.
Okay. Name any 2 days that celebrate with our family.
Festivals and birthday.
Okay. आता change the following words from one to many. Cake. Cake. Fast girl.
Girls.
Ball.
Ball.
Flower.
Flowers.
Boy.
Boy.
ओके. हे तर येतात तुला. ओके. 2 part of head.
2 part of it.